mostly it looks like sun shining through, even though it's evening time. Now, the rain did come down over this side of the island earlier today, and the weather impacted sales at farmers markets on the windward side and around Oahu today. We found one in Kailua, the Hana Lima Market. You can see there's about 7 tents that vendors set up today, but usually there's double that. The owner of the market says almost half her vendors canceled because of the threat of rain, and she is also seeing half the foot traffic as well.
Yes, it is a big loss. No foot traffic, no sales, so it's hard to keep going.
Duluth says she saw online that a handful of other open markets were closed today as well.